In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 32kfull.sys blue screen error on Windows. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu, type CMD. After that, click on Run as Administrator. Now that you have done that, just go ahead, paste in the command that will be available in the description below. In order to do that, just go to Edit, then click on Paste. Now just click on Enter on your keyboard and wait for the scan to finish. After that, go ahead, open up CMD again. So go ahead to your search menu, open up Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. And now you will type another command, which is sfc/scannow. And scan now must be written in one word. Then click on Enter on your keyboard and wait for the scan to finish and to take place. So as you can see, when it reaches 100%, you can then, after that, click out of the command prompt and go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. And as always, thank you for watching.